Is it the right time to buy or sell the TQQQ ETF? Today, we'll be delving deep into the TQQQ ETF. We initially published a report on our website on Monday, November 13, 2023. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at stockinvest.us. Access the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 2, 2023, our system has identified TQQQ as a buy candidate, with a score of 1.43. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have seen an impressive gain of 11.29% since we first recommended TQQQ as a buy candidate just 8 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 1.41% since it was listed as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. Keep an eye out for a break above the top trend line at $40.70, as it could indicate a slower falling rate and potentially signal a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected minus 9.37% change over the next 3 months. This means that the ETF may experience a return between minus 32.54% and minus 8.69%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend suggests a significant 82.91% change over the next year. This could lead to a potential return between 45.07% and 146.33%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $58.61 to $99.52 after a year. In our latest update on TQQQ, we have an important headline to share: TQQQ ETF price down 0.91% on Monday. On Monday, the 13th of November 2023, the TQQQ ETF price experienced a decrease of 0.91%. It went from $40.77 to $40.40. Throughout the trading day, the ETF's price fluctuated by 2.47%, ranging from a low of $39.75 to a high of $40.73. It's worth noting that the price has increased in 8 out of the last 10 days and has seen a significant overall growth of 25.04% in the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the volume also decreased on the last trading day, which can be considered a positive sign as the volume tends to follow the movement of the ETF. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by 34 million shares, with a total of 89 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $3.61 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we observe that the highest price of the ETF was $47.14, while the lowest price was $16.10. Currently, the price is 14.3%, or $6.74, below its 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 78.83%, or $150.48, below the all-time high, which was recorded on the 8th of January 2021, reaching $190.88. Let's analyze the signals for TQQQ. The TQQQ ETF shows positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, the short-term average is currently above the long-term average, confirming a general buy signal. In case of downward corrections, there is support at $39.03 and $36.27. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it may trigger sell signals. Moving on, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. It's important to note that there have been some negative signals as well, which could influence the stock's near-term performance. On Friday, November 10, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point. Since then, the stock has fallen by minus 0.91%. It is expected to continue declining until a new bottom pivot is identified. It's worth mentioning that the volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, it's showing a buy signal. Pivots, it gave a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, this indicator has shown a buy signal 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, it gave a buy signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, it gave a buy signal 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, it gave a buy signal 5 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Short moving average, it gave a buy signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, it gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, it gave a buy signal 31 days ago. If you want to find more signals, remember to visit our page at stockinvest.us. Today we'll be discussing the support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. TQQQ has found support from accumulated volume at $39.15. This level presents a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is being tested. However, it's important to note that TQQQ is considered to be a high-risk ETF due to its significant volatility. In fact, this ETF has shown a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, indicating higher levels of risk. Looking at its recent performance, TQQQ has experienced a daily volatility of 2.47%, with a range of 98 cents between its high and low for the day. Over the course of the past week, its daily average volatility has been 3.78%. Today, we will be discussing potential day trading levels for TQQQ. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQQ is at $40.77. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before entering a position. However, if you are already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading opportunities. On the downside, TQQQ encounters its first support level at $39.15. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, with potential for a rebound in the stock. We recommend setting the stop loss at $38.77, which represents a decrease of 4.04%. It's important to note that this ETF experiences significant daily movements, which also brings a higher level of risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was detected just 1 day ago. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? Despite the ETF being in a falling trend, there are several positive short-term signals. This indicates that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level, with a fair chance for the ETF to perform well in the short term. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, November 14th, we anticipate TQQQ to open down $0.107 and begin trading at $40.29. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that stockinvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we provide you with valuable insights on the current stock market. Today, we want to share our view on a particular stock and hear your thoughts as well. Join the discussion by commenting below and let us know if you agree or disagree with our analysis. We're also curious to know what your target for the ETF is. Share your predictions in the comments section. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable trading information. Finally, we want to wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Thank you for being a part of our Stock Invest community.